What's going on, BSG? So it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and getting ready to do some wet sanding on this. As you can see, I primered it, and really didn't need to primer this because, well, not all of it, because it's a brand new piece and it just didn't need to be primered. But I needed to primer these holes. As you can see, holes look factory. I kind of had messed up because I had made the holes super big, so I got them back down to a normal size to where they should be. I didn't use no body fill, I used weld, and I grinded down to a smooth finish and did a little body, used a little not primer, but body filler. This piece is primered. I really needed to primer this wing, because it was it's a used wing, and it just needed to be primered. So I'm finna wet sand it now with got my paper in there with 500 grit that's in there right now. 500, yeah, 500, and this is 1,000. So we're gonna make quick work of this, and then we're gonna get it painted. Right now I'm on my cell phone because I can't find my GoPro. So I can't prop you guys up because I don't have nothing to prop you guys up with, but I'm gonna wet sand this, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So guys, so we wet sanded it. I even have to break out some 400 to get a couple of spots. Like we got a spot right there. That's because something that some acetone had dropped on it. So probably gonna have to, after it dries all the way, I'm gonna have to take a look and see what it's looking like. And I got to do a little spot putty here on a couple of spots on this wing, and we're gonna be in business. Other than that, the whole thing is baby booty smooth. I used 400, 500, and 1,000 wet sanding. I got that from Sprayway. I was watching him, and he kind of explained it as exactly how you need to do it, and I mean, it came out the way he said it would. So big shout out Sprayway, and appreciate him putting it out on his YouTube, and go check him out, man, because he is definitely a master painter at what needs, how this stuff need to go, and the steps that it need to go in. So check out Sprayway. But I'm gonna get back to y'all after this dry, and we'll take a look at it a little closer. So guys, so it's dry now. I believe, I'm rubbed across it. It is very smooth. That's a little wet, little spot. Well, it's not even a spot, it was doggone dried up. I guess primer that I didn't clean off good enough. So I'm gonna wipe this down again with some alcohol, not alcohol, but something to clean it off real good with. And we're gonna try our hand at doing a little paint on it. I'm still on my phone, so I don't have nothing to prop you guys up with, but I believe we're good. And I gotta tell you guys the truth, man. With these holes, man, I damn screwed it up big time. But I welded it all back up with metal, and we came out good, man. Kind of proud of myself with that one there, because it did turn out correctly. And kind of cut that hole a little bit ugly, man, but it's not gonna be seen at all. What's going on, BSG? So we got it painted, but we done messed up. But you can see here, this crap, the wind blew up and blew this tarp up, and it landed on here, and I didn't even know it, and messed it up. Also, we got some dirt in here as well. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm gonna fix whatever need to be fixed. while it's on the car. Because what I need to do, I need to hurry up and go get this car inspected in the next couple of days, because I got a new project coming. And this might be my last project that I do, but I got a new project that's going to start. So I need to get this done on the car, get the car inspected, so we can start trying to get it, move it up and down the road. And that's what we're gonna do. So let me get this here. Look, we need to go over here to this car anyway. We need to get this trunk off. And first thing we need to do, we need to get all these wires here out, get this off, get this down, so that we can take this trunk off. She is working, y'all. I gotta tell you, it was a little rough. I'm not putting these lights in yet because I need to figure out there's an issue with those lights because they wasn't working at all. So I gotta rewire something to make them work, which is for the license plate. This here thing didn't fit right. I had to redo something with this thing here, so I finally got that working. So next thing I do, pop this wing off. So I need to let you know now, I have to re-sand this thing and then paint it again. But it's going on today. I'll tell you that right now. It's going on today. No doubt about it. So let's get it on. Are you kidding me? I'm about to use some words, y'all. Let me see. Let me go over here. Lost the damn screw. Uh-oh, did it come out? Okay, so now I need to find me another screw. Should I say, I'm sorry, a nut to go on the end of that, which I would do. It's not gonna happen in this video because I'm gonna try to find that one if I can. But if you see here, this thing is up a little bit, and that's the reason why I did it. The first time I molded this in, which I might do again because I don't like it like that. But I'm gonna see, man. I'm gonna see. So this here, gotta say, we got it back on. I'm gonna wet sand this again and clean it up, and hopefully it turns out a lot better. But with all that, everything, I want to say everything is lined up pretty good and everything. This here needs to come down. I need to adjust this piece here down. Other than that, everything is good. And it's getting late, y'all. Ain't too long got off of work. So I need to get in the house and do some stuff I need to do. But I wanted to show y'all a little something what I was doing. And hopefully in a couple of days we'll finalize this thing and get it done. But basically this is it. This is what it looked like. This is what it need to be. And I did the very hard part, and that was drilling the holes for this spoiler to get back on there. And but we're gonna call it a video right there. We're gonna end it, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Oh, also, I have a new project coming that I'm gonna jump all the way into. Truck is gonna go on standby for a minute because it pissed me off, and I'm gonna jump into this project, and we're gonna take this. We're gonna do some driving around with this black car. All right, so be on the lookout for my new project, and we're gonna catch y'all later. Peace.